Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the U2U network token. Ticker symbol is U2U. Now this token is getting a bunch of brand new big central exchange listings, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, U2U Network is a modular Layer 1 blockchain tailored for decentralized physical infrastructure network DePIN's ecosystem, powered by subnet technology and backed by Kucoin Ventures, Chain Capital, Cointelegraph, ID Blockchain, JDI Blockhive, and others. U2U addresses scaling challenges with independent subnets managing their own data while maintaining a provable mainnet record. Like Peak Network and IOTEX, U2U's subnets are customized for DePIN sectors like IoT, the Internet of Things, wireless networks, GPU, computing, and decentralized storage with 80 plus dApps, over 1 million users, and 100,000 plus daily active users. U2U demonstrates scalability, adaptability, and leadership in DePIN infrastructure innovation. Now, you can find their scan at U2UCHAIN.xyz. There's a total supply of 10 billion U2U tokens. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting December 10th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search U2U on December 10th after 10 o'clock UTC time, and then simply just buy the token. Now, their Twitter is going to be in the corner of the screen here at UNIULTRA_XYZ, and they have 395,400 Twitter followers, gold verified checkmark, over 3,800 tweets. This token will also be listed on Gate, it says, and also most likely Kucoin as well. So there's going to be at least 3 big central, and Bingx it says here too. So those are the 4 big ones: Bingx, Gate, Kucoin, and Mexc Global. And so that'll all be on December 10th. So 4 huge central exchange listings. So U2UCHAIN is at the forefront of establishing a collaborative ecosystem that harmonizes developers, ideas, creators, marketers, and users to forge collective economic value. Our objective within the U2U ecosystem is to seamlessly integrate proven business concepts and products into the Web3 realm, thereby expanding their global reach and effect. At U2UCHAIN, we encourage developers and producers to submit a wide range of ideas and proposals to the U2U Council. Now, these submissions will undergo rigorous evaluation process, and once approved, will receive vital support in the form of development resources, funding, and marketing assistance from the U2U ecosystem. Now, this novel incubation model is strengthened by a collective effort of third-party contributors who can actively participate in shaping and building approved projects while sharing in the success that they help achieve. Our unique approach blends chain incubation with the global power of decentralized collaboration, fostering a thriving environment where ideas are nurtured into tangible projects with real-world impact. Now, this synergy drives progress and innovation, ensuring that users, builders, and stakeholders are interconnected and aligned right from the initial spark of an idea. Join us at U2UCHAIN, where innovation knows no bounds, and together we shape the future of Web3. Now, they do have a full light paper you could check out. They have a full white paper. They have a document section. They have all sorts of links at the bottom of their webpage, U2U.xyz, including Medium articles, LinkedIn, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Discord, Mainnet, Testnet, SDK, API, a super app, blog articles, grants, all sorts of things that you can check out on their webpage there. So the chain is a groundbreaking endeavor that seamlessly integrates directed acyclic graph, DAG-based algorithms with the Interledger Protocol, ILP, to establish a resilient and adaptable platform for decentralized application development. By harnessing the capabilities of these cutting-edge technologies, the U2U chain addresses these limitations inherent to existing distributed ledger systems. The result is a highly scalable, secure, and efficient infrastructure that can accommodate a wide spectrum of use cases. And at the heart of the U2U chain project, the primary objective is creating a distributed ledger platform that encompasses an extensive suite of services and features tailored to decentralized application development. The U2U chain aims to realize the following pivotal goals. Number one is scalability. U2U chain effectively tackles scalability challenges often encountered by traditional blockchain systems by implementing the DAG algorithm. Security and privacy. So U2U chain places a strong emphasis on elevating privacy and confidentiality for all participants. Interoperability, so the seamless integration of Interledger Protocol propels the U2U chain into a realm of effortless interoperability. Smart contracts, so they boast a robust EVM smart contract service. And tokenization. Introduces powerful tokenization service which enables the effortless creation, assurance, and management of these digital assets on the network. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about the U2U network? Do you think this project is good or not? Leave a comment down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you check out the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.